The new emergency order is another setback for struggling small businesses. Ben Jordan with Milwaukee restaurants at odds over this new rule.
More than 100 Milwaukee bars and restaurants have already received approval from the city's health department to open at full capacity. Starting Thursday, they'll have to drop back down to a quarter of that. Carnivore Steakhouse reopened just a couple months ago, but co-owner Omar Sheikh worries the restaurant won't make it to the end of the year due to the governor's new restrictions.
I mean, I don't think we'll be able to pay our bills. I don't think we'll be able to pay our rent. I don't think we can pay our employees. I mean, it's going to be bad.
Sheikh says Carnivore spent months devising COVID-19 safety measures to meet the Milwaukee Health Department's requirements.
We've researched plans all across the country and have really put it in effect here.
After setting each table 6 feet apart, Carnivore was allowed to serve 60 customers at a time. Sheikh says the statewide capacity limits will cut that number in half. Those caught not complying with the order could face a $500 fine. Less than a mile away, the general manager of Smoke Shack in the 3rd Ward welcomes the governor's mandate.
It's about making sure we get to the other side of this.
Rick Aiken says they'll still be able to fill their newly renovated outdoor patio as the state order only applies to indoor public spaces.
It doesn't do us any good if we're part of the problem.
Kristen Helmer is the CEO of the Wisconsin Restaurant Association.
37% of our operators said that they will not survive in the next 6 months.
Helmer believes local health departments should be issuing these orders rather than a statewide one-size-fits-all approach.
There are some pockets that we are seeing some spread, and that's where they need to maybe reduce capacity there.
These statewide capacity limits go into effect Thursday and are set to remain in place until November 6th. Governor Evers also announced a $100 million business grant today. Part of it is supposed to help struggling restaurants with $5,000 apiece. Reporting in downtown Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.